Beep Oi. Uncover the hidden.
Now I am on the road, on the main road that goes in the gully to Dada's house. I am going to meet him, okay? Wish me luck, okay? I hope he's dead home. Where is Dada's house? Where is Dada's house, Saurabh Ganguly Dada? ये दादा का घर है? और दादा का घर है ये?
हाँ।
हम सौरभ गांगुली से मिलना चाहते हैं, हम उनका फैन है।
है नहीं।
हैं?
है नहीं वो घर पे।
फोटो खींचेंगे उनके साथ? हम फोटो खींच सकते हैं उनके साथ?
वो तो फोटो, हाँ।
दादा से मिल सकते हैं?
नहीं।
नहीं? दादा कहाँ है?
खेलते हैं।
किधर?
इधर नहीं, इधर।
ईडन गार्डन में? तो कब आएंगे? हाँ?
दिल्ली का साथ गेम हो रहा है। दिल्ली का साथ रणजी हो रहा है, रणजी।
किधर?
जादवपुर में हो रहा है।
ईडन गार्डन?
जादवपुर।
जादवपुर। तो कितने टाइम पे आएंगे?
वो आएगा नहीं अभी।
घर पे नहीं है?
नहीं।
वो दादा घर पे है, बाहर गया है?
वो क्या बोला?
वो बोला बाहर गया है।
वो तो बाहर गया, काले
हैं?
गया, वो काले गया।
हाँ?
काले गया। कल सुबह में निकला, पायलट कराया था। अभी उसके बाद आया नहीं।
तो कब आएगा?
अब वो ही बता सकते
आप देखे गए? वो देखे आप?
काल जाते हुए देखे, उसके बाद आते हुए नहीं देखे। किसका है?
हम डाडा से मिलने आया उसके घर पे, लेकिन डाडा घर पे नहीं है, बोलता हमको मिलने को नहीं देता है। हम डाडा को मिलना चाहता है, हमको डाडा को मिलने को नहीं देता है। इट्स वेरी सैड। आई एम फैन ऑफ डाडा, बिग फैन। आई वांट ऑटोग्राफ, फोटोग्राफ। दिस इज गुड हाउस ऑफ डाडा। ओके, आई विल वेट।
हम था, आप वाला के चला गया। ऐसे ऐसे हम आया, आप लोग मेरे को बोला जाओ नहीं दादा। आप याद है हमारे? हम मालूम नहीं है, हम लोग मालूम नहीं है।
नहीं, हम ऐसे मस्ती कर रहे थे।
कैसे
बोला दिला
दादा से साथ ये फिल्म।
And I want to meet him, so they said, no, Dada is not there, and all you go away. So I said, where is he? He said, he's not a player. Hello.
Tell her the story, she'll fall.
What trophies? Wow. There's a whole room full,
Yeah.
My God.
These are photographs of some important events. That's when I got the Arjun Award. That's after the World Cup.
Right. What was that? Was it the World Cup when you took off the shirt and all?
No, that was the NatWest Trophy.
That was great fun, yeah. The whole India was.
I have a medal, but that's up.
That was
entire country went nuts. Superb. That's a superb picture. Okay.
Yeah, and you read the lines.
That was
Is
my.
it a painting?
Yeah,
It's
when I
amazing,
retired.
yeah. What a beautiful thing.
Who's done this?
वसीम कपूर
Wasim.
मिलजुल के इस वतन को ऐसा सजाएंगे हम
हैरत से मुंह ताकेगा सारा जहां हमारा. क्या बात है. Superb.
This was my last test. Last test before I finished.
But you really stopped playing too early. You should have played. Yeah, you should.
I was getting fed up actually. I was on trial every series.
But from the fans' point of view, we all of us felt that you should have played more. We were not ready for you to retire. We were not ready for
Actually,
you.
I was.
Yeah, I know. You made a century today.
Actually, before I was going to announce it,
Huh.
I spoke to the boys in the dressing room.
Huh.
Sachin actually stopped and said, "Don't do it."
Then
I said, "No, I have decided."
Sachin stopped you.
Yeah.
Then why?
I said, "Because you don't go through what we go through." So,
And maybe when he did a comeback before that,
2 years ago.
historic comeback. I don't think anyone's had a comeback like that.
Yeah.
And there was a lot of pressure on him.
Because
Because you see, when you come back, the whole country's looking at you, everyone's looking at you.
And when you fail, they say, "Us." That's the great.
It is a triumphant comeback.
My mom,
How are you?
her wife Kiran.
तो बांगाली अभी बांगाली बोल I can eat language.
I came in the morning, late morning, in a disguise, and I came to the gate. और मैं I told the watchman over there, I'm a fan of Dada, and I want to meet Dada. So they said, they were wondering who's this person, strange looking guy. So they said, no, you can't come and all that. He's not there now, and they packed me off.
They're good security. Basically, you have good security.
Very good security. आपके बेटे ने तो सेंचुरी बनाया आज. हम सब उनके बहुत बड़े फैन हैं. Most graceful player that I've seen.
Both of them called me on 15th. He said that my wife's going for a week and she wants to. I said, yeah, of course, we look after her. Don't worry. She said there's a birthday party at 8 o'clock. You must come. I said I'll come early because I got a game tomorrow. I left early, so I'll come and say hello to you and meet your friend and go. So then I came to know that all this has been said.
It's a surprise.
So I said, look, my friend is coming.
Who's a big fan of yours? So the fan part is correct. But instead of friend, it was husband. तो आज आपको बंगाली खाने को मिलेगा. I'm very. हाँ, veg. I prefer veg. I love Bengali food. तो आपको लगता था ये क्रिकेटर बनेगा बचपन में? हाँ, बचपन से मालूम था आपको. अच्छा. बहुत शौक था. और ट्रेनिंग कहाँ लिया फिर इसमें? आप लोगों ने इसको ट्रेनिंग पे डाला? But that's very important. Parents का support बहुत important है. तो आप इसको जो first match सर्व खेला था आपको क्या लगा? First
बहुत अच्छा
debut match.
लंदन में
Lords. जब मैच होता तो क्या करते हो? मैच के टाइम पे फुल डे पूजा. टीवी देख के और पूजा.
हमारे घर में ही पूजा का घर में ही
अच्छा.
सुबह 9 बजे तक 4:30 5
There's a very strange story I have. Sachin and I, became friends. We live in the same city. Used to meet and all that. And then, at one time, I used to not use cell phones and all that. Then I started using cell phones. So I started texting him before a match, all the best. I noticed that whenever I sent him all the best, he used to get out here. 0, 2, 3. So I got really superstitious. I said, yeah, whenever I wish Sachin, he gets out very fast. So I must stop wishing. So I stopped wishing. Then I thought that, yeah, उसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Why suddenly I will stop wishing? So again, one day I wished him out. Again he got out on 0. I said, yeah, whenever I wish him, he gets out. So then I told him, I said, see Sachin, I'm never going to wish you again. Because whenever I wished you, you get out. So he started laughing. He said, you're as superstitious as all of us cricketers. I think all of us are superstitious when we come
First
from.
time I saw Sachin in Australia in '92. We were sharing. In those days we used to share rooms. He was a young boy, he was 17, I was 18. I've known him for a very long time, since under 15 we played together.
Okay.
Before a test match he wouldn't sleep. He would be walking around in the room, watching TV, having a coke, sit, read. He would be awake till 4 in the morning and he has to bat next day. I asked him, why don't you sleep? He said, my adrenaline starts pumping so I don't get sleep. And he would go in, at that time he used to bat at number 6 for him. So he would go in and he would say Usher. He would go in and he would fall asleep in the dressing room with pads on. They would wake him up. You are next. You wake up and go on.
My God.
I mean, the whole of 2003 World Cup, I never saw him once bat in the nets. We were in South Africa for 2 months. We had a camp, we had practice matches. I never saw him bat in the nets. He would go to the corner of the nets, ask somebody to throw balls. He would just.
Our whole neighborhood is excited. We know that there's somebody special in our house.
That's sad.
Hello.
And you know this gentleman?
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, brother.
How was your performance?
Good, okay, not
Yeah.
bad. It was for the university, for the radio physics department. So there was more like foreign delegates.
Right.
It was in high patch.
You know, I actually thought you were at the Taj Bengal, performing at Taj Bengal. That's why we shifted up. We were staying there thinking you were performing there.
No, I was performing in the high patch.
Come, sit.
Hi, Sana. So you have school tomorrow, but you've
Yeah.
been out and about.
Actually, her results are coming out on 18. That's
So she
Friday.
told me
So
my
she-
report is on 18.
So her reports are already done. So she says now no studies because the teacher
Now
will
it
not
doesn't
write
make
the
a
annual
difference.
difference.
Afternoon he landed at home with mustache,
Home
wig.
mane?
Oh buddy, I didn't even know.
The wig and all.
All's coming, she's coming for he called me up 10 days ago.
Yeah.
He said that she's coming. I said, don't worry, we'll look after her and all. She took your number and everything. So she landed and she called me. She said, it's my friend's special birthday, you must come. He's a big fan of yours. I said, yeah, of course I'll come. And I called her up and said that, if I can do it early, I'll come back home because I've played the whole day and I'm going to go and play tomorrow morning.
যা লাগবে প্রাইস
So
তুই যে
it was all a gimmick. His film is coming, The Three Idiots.
এটা তোমার ভাবতেই
Last
ভালো লাগবে
action that you television.
ওই glass
you
দুটো নিয়ে
watched
এসো
it
তো
or
তুই
not,
এখানে
he
দিয়ে
was on. He was in Varanasi. He was in disguise. On a boat, Gangar upor diye, rasta diye.
তো নেবে
Varanasi, he's promoting his film. Now he's come to Cal. He says now his next thing
Huh.
Is
that
it promoted in
I'm going to
Cali?
Dada's place.
Okay.
In each place I'm going for some reason.
Some reason.
In Calcutta I've come because I'm a fan of Dada. So I came to his house with this guy.
Okay.
He was not
They threw him out of the house.
And the watchman didn't let me enter. I said, I'm a fan of Dada, I want autographs. They said, hey, you go
ভাবতে
away.
ওদের ভাব
That's not there.
So you keep that,
So we shot that.
and now you're going to you shot the other one with you.
Tell us which day you're showing it.
Yeah, you please let us know.
Yeah. I'll show you.
Yeah.
I'll show you. This food is unbelievable, Anya. Unbelievable. I was so looking forward to eating Bengali food. हाँ भात दाल
হ্যাঁ ভাতও দিচ্ছি বাবা ভাত দিচ্ছি
इतना अच्छा खाना आपने बनाया
নেই নেই
घर में जो कुछ उसने बनाया बहुत अच्छा खाना है
Maybe this is one of my favorite things, is aloo.
Coke.
It's posto.
Would you like some Coke or Diet Coke or something?
Thank you. You should try this posto. This is posto, it's called.
Pomegranate. She may cook you some.
I wish I could, yeah. Posto is not so easy.
It's very easy.
Very easy.
अरे भागते हैं आलूटा भाजते हैं एकदम
কত জানি
Soak and grind and all.
no nothing
Posto is superb, yeah? So this is typically Bengali dishes, huh?
And this.
Oh, all of them, huh?
And Begun Bhaja is my all-time favorite.
अच्छा.
Yeah, Begun Bhaja. I love it.
You know, I think it's difficult for me to decide.
Decide, no?
This is shoot. So this is something that you have to have with glass.
Dada, thank you so much.
You don't have to thank me. Thank you so much for coming.
We had such a lovely time. You know, on this trip, wherever I go and wherever I make friends, I mean, I'm already a fan, but I'm going to become your friend. I give some nishani of mine, which is my ring.
Okay.
So this ring is for you, and whenever you see this ring, you'll remember me.
Of course, without this also I'll remember you, but I'll still keep it.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Let me see if it fits.
Yeah, it will fit. It will fit in this one. Yes. It will fit.
Thank
Thank you so much.
The middle one, it'll fit.
It's like a Bengali ring, huh?
Yeah?
She'll say. It's very typical of a Bengali ring. When you get married, they give this sort of a ring to the husband.
Okay.
So it's very typical. Thank you so much.
Thanks. And 23rd.
Yes, we'll come.
Premium.
We'll come. 100%.
Super. Excellent.
And we'll take the night flight out to London.
Yeah.
2 o'clock flight. Definitely. Please come again, and you must come again.
Of
both
course
of you.
we'll come. We'll come.
No, it's good.
Thanks once again. We had a lovely time.
No, you don't even have to say thank you.
We'll come over home. Come over home to my place.
দাদা আজ জ্বালাবেন একবার করে নিয়ে নাও বাস একবার করে দিতে এরকম করে ডিস্টার্ব করে না লোককে
I'm saying after the screening.
হ্যাঁ উইল কাম ওভার এন্ড দেন
Come over.
ইয়েস আর বিরক্ত করো না।